reefer, burn it up. Cause vibe reactions in the building, we for certain love. The king of this reaction thing, and it's curtains for a fool that think of coming at the team. It ain't hurting us, true. I'm a vibe like Ray, and that's my brother and them. He love it when you go monkey with them bars.
What is good, Vibe Gang? It is your boy Ray here with another one. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to Vibe Reactions. For the ones, I guess I'm gonna have to play it again. I don't think people understood it when I played it in the beginning. Let me play it again, just in case, motherfucker. Just in case. I want motherfuckers to be very clear. Listen, watch.
Your speakers turn them up, boom. The reefer burn it up. Cause vibe reactions.
It's just so they could know. That's just so they could understand, bro. Federico, cut the beat. Shout out to Tom for the Thomas and the kitties. Appreciate you, brother. Right on the top of the head. Beat Bella. Tonight, I'm going to go live with all the stands from the Stand movie on the page. I don't know where I'm dropping this because I got it already up. No. I got a BP coming tomorrow. No, I got this one. This one already came out, the other one. So, yeah, this is Tom's third. I forgot which one number is this one. But shout out to Tom for the dono. Swimming Beetles. And there's another one that you guys want me to do. It got a lot of likes. Rob Roy or something like that. Rob Roy. Guess what we're doing tomorrow? It's coming. It's on the list to react. BP. It is on. Swimming Beetles. It is on you. Oh.
Let me sound like another sea. That way it's all the bubbles. I see bubbles every time they do it. I see little dolphins trying to talk and little bubbles coming out.
Echolocation, man. I love that sound. Do it again with the tongue. That's crazy. Okay. There you go.
Hold on! I catch the middle swim.
Hold on, man! Did you hear his radio voice? This is not the test. Go do it one more time, bro.
Look at that, I catch the middle swim.
I'm telling you, they lucky that I'm not around, bro. They're lucky that I'm not around, bro. If I'm walking down the pier and I hear this magic happen, you gonna catch me in the background. You can catch me in the background. Drake is so stupid. You catch me in the background breakdancing over there. I saw Lockwolf. You think I ain't seen Lockwolf, man? Come on, stop playing with me, Lock. Stop fucking playing with me, Lock. I can't dance like that. I can stand up and down a little bit, but I got a bad back. It's crazy how they can make this.
Sun's up, skies blue, shades on me and you, waves crash, hearts race, jump in. Cool.
Do you know the sync that you motherfuckers have to be in? You guys have to be in the T-Mobile family plan, bro. Y'all gotta be that close. Remember when T-Mobile told you pick your Fat Five? Right there, the Fat Five. That's gotta be that. You gotta be that in sync in order for you guys to beatbox off of each other like that. Home Free does it. Humphrey's fucking amazing at that. The chemistry that they have together. If you don't have the chemistry, you cannot have this. You guys can start jumping over each other. Someone's gonna go, the other one's gonna go, and it's gonna sound crazy. You need to know when you have to know when because if you don't, then you wildin'. It's beautiful. This is years and years and years of work. Practice every day. Everybody bring your 5 favorite beats and you have to do it. And it has to sound exactly like the beat. You see? Perfect. You go to the next level. Type shit. I love it because that still shows that there's still that human connection out there. You can't have something this wonderful sounding this wonderful without having some type of human connection. Look at the shirt he got on. It's a heart of flowers. It's amazing. I love these guys. And girl. I like that shirt.
Sun's up, sky's blue. On me and you, waves crash, hearts race, jump in. Cool breeze, can't ski.
I say things like James Brown. He moonwalks and shit.
Crash, hearts race, jump in. Cool breeze, can't ski. No clash, no rules, flaws, free, dive deep. Let's go.
Why you came over here all saucy, princess? You came over here all saucy. Hands to the rhythm. And now we starting to walk. Shorty singing, we walking. Bye. I saw the choreography. I heard what they said to each other. The minute Shorty starts singing, we start walking. Give it a dramatic look. With the palm trees and shit, man. I love this. I love that. Like these, they're doing it really like crazy. Like you saw the hip hop one. It's crazy money, bro. The hip hop one was crazy. I'm excited to hear the Rob Roy one too. Cause the way y'all talking about it, I got to do it. Right. Shut up, man. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't be coming on. He hit him in the head. He became Radio Man again, bro. Hold on, Radio Man. Hold on. He too cool, bro. I want to be there when I grow up. I literally want to be there when I grew up. I want to talk like him. That next time you're going to smack in the face. And just laugh. Like, man, I want to do it, man. He sounds so cool. Hold on. Do it.
Oh, there's so many bugs here.
I love it.
Can you give me some bug spray?
Swimming Beetles, I don't care if the sun burns me up. Swimming Beetles,
go.
Reckless, just living it up. Swimming Beetles, let me.
I like the butterflies and the bugs in the arm, bruh. We're gonna call him bass. I like the way he does the bass because he does it in a cool way. He got the Tupac bandana, got the white button down, opened, with the V-tank top in the inside like a real one. The watch is fire. He's a cool dude, bro. I understand now. I get it. That's the money man right there. That's the one that we call him Flowers. In the little gang that we call Beat Bella House. His name is Flowers, bro. He's King Dingaling. Like you come, and whenever you need something, you come see him type of dude. You understand? He's a Dong Magic Wang. I would say more Don Corleone. He's a Don Corleone. Yeah. You gonna ask me for this favor? This day, the day that my daughter is to be wed, and you ask me to kill? For this, I cannot do for you. But since you are a good friend of the family for many years and your loyalty means a lot, I'm gonna do this for you. Hey, Jimmy, put Tommy on this one. Put Tommy on this one. Don Corleone, thank you so much. You don't know what you do to me. You just kiss the ring and have some cake. Stop playing with us. Stop talking crazy, bro. Stop. Go back and baby. I like him, bro. I like bass. I'm Mr. Flowers.
Oh, there's so many bugs here. Can you give me some bug spray?
Swimming Beetles, I don't care if the sun burns me up. Swimming Beetles, we're reckless, just living it up. Swimming Beetles, let me get wasted, no plans tonight.
Hold on with the trumpet. And my nigga Trumpet in the front. What's going on, Trumpet? Oh, I knew you go. I tried to do it. I tried to practice a little bit, and I was like, I can't do it like he does it. Because when he does it, he does it. Go ahead, Trumpet.
Beetles, let me get wasted, no plans tonight.
Yeah. I love this shit. Oh, you go on stage? Let's go. Okay. I like show. Let's stop. My man Chump again here, baby. Woo! Chump again. Chump got a solo, baby. Sometimes you guys show the skills, man. Put the skills up front. Trumpet got it. I love that dude. I love each and every one of them, man. They bring some spice into this shit. I need more. I need more and more. Whew. I love the trumpet.
Sun's up, skies blue, shades on me and you. Waves crash, hearts race, jump in. Cool breeze, can't ski, no clash, no rules, flaws.
Tell you something right now, bro. They dangerous right now. They dangerous. They dangerous right now, man. I always like to sit down and picture. Can you imagine like Home Free goes to the mall, right? And all of them are there. They talking. They're like, hey, let's go to the food court. And then they go see BP House in that motherfucker. And BP House in the food court, they been eating. Trumpet likes the pizza. Princess, she likes the Chinese food. Very authentic that they have in the mall. The Chick-fil-A is my man Don Magic Juan's favorite. That's Flower's favorite right there, bro. And then they meet in the middle of the food court. And then all you hear is Trumpet go, they lock eyes at each other. And then somebody comes, and somebody on the other side goes, and then somebody else on this side goes, and then somebody on this side goes, and then you so somebody on this side it goes real crazy, it goes, ew. And somebody on this side go, and then they battle each other back and forth, man. Everybody do all types of crazy noise, and then you get a big, like the best beat ever made. Hey, man, and that beat opens up a whole entire like structure in the middle of the rainforest, and the structure opens up because it needed a specific tone to open it. And it opens, and then all bunch of creatures start coming out, like crazy creatures that we've never seen ever before in our whole entire lives. And then there's like King Diggling comes out, this big, huge dinosaur / ape type nigga, and he comes out and he says, "Get them." And then now, without each other, we cannot defeat the Lizard Man. There's a treasure in there somewhere. There's a treasure in there somewhere. That's the whole point of the comic. They have to go get a specific medallion that will bring peace to the whole entire world. So it's up to them. How is this going to come out? I don't know. But follow the story, because we need to figure it out.
Blue shades on me and you, waves crash, hearts race, jump, aim, cool breeze, can't ski, no clash, no bruise, flaws, free, dive deep. Look at that, I can't some middle swim.
That's crazy. Don't ever do that to me ever in my screen. Don't you ever spray paint my screen, brother. You don't pay these bills in this house. Don't end it like that. Don't ever end it like that in your life, bro. That was crazy. I want to hear it again, though. I want to hear it again.
Look at that, I can't some middle swim.
Don't ever black out my screen like that, because it feels like you're about to rob me. You feel me? What I'm saying? More, please. I got Rob Roy tomorrow, but please, by all means, put the next one you guys want me to react to down below. The one with the most likes gets the reaction, Adam. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I love all of yous. Peace.